How to add your qualities in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your qualities and hobbies. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, on the top, there's a button called Complete Profile. Simply tap on Complete Profile. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Qualities I Have. So, simply tap on Qualities I Have. So here there are different qualities and you can even customize and select the one. So simply tap on the one that you want to show up in your profile. At last, simply tap on Save and it's all done. So the qualities have pop up. Now it will even show it in your profile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.